This motherboard is a NY model A2337 MacBook Air. Now I connect the power. You see the current. The voltage only 5 watt, and the current is restart 0.4 to 0.6. So maybe the motherboard have the short circuit. Now we use the framework camera. You see, in this one, it shows is PMUIC. PMUIC is this SPMUIC. This MPMUIC. So maybe the SPMUIC damage. Okay, now I remove the PMUIC. Now I remove the SPMUIC from the donor board. Recording the now install the SPMUIC. Okay, after replay the SPMU, connect the power. Now you see the current. Okay, now the voltage you can boost to 20 watt. Before only 5 voltage, now to boost to 20 watt. And the current is working. Now you can see 0.26 and 0.2 is working. Okay. Now 0.2. The motherboard is displayed. Okay. So after replay the SPMUIC, the motherboard is working.